In the last episode, I showed you how you can film using your phone with cameras and some cheap lights in order to create a YouTube studio. This one, I will be showing you how you can edit using your phone. Over to my phone. This is not actually my phone because I'm using my phone to film every single one of my videos. This is just an Android emulator, and every single one of these apps you are able to get both on Android and iPhone. I'm just showing this off on my computer right now in order to showcase it and record it for you guys. So this is CapCut. It's a simple editing tool to just put clips together, make some text on the clips, make some effects for TikTok or for YouTube. And I have basically just skipped the tutorial and I made a simple project here that I'm gonna show you really quickly. This is just a vlog that I made the other day, and I'm just filming my views, and I basically talk about something by myself. I'm just talking about living by myself. And you can see down here that we have all of the different editing options, and I can click this first one and I can find a point where I'm done with the clip, opening this one right there, showing off the views a bit. We can hit this little split, boom. And now we can either drag it like so, or we can simply click this part and we can hit the delete button. Okay, me talking. Okay, so I'm cleaning my throat here. Boom. I'm done. Now over to the second one. This one is called Willow. This one is a bit more advanced. It looks like you can add music, soundtracks, and you can do, and it looks a bit more like Premiere or something that you will find on a computer. You can click different sections. You can transform it. You can crop it down to make it work for a TikTok or work for a YouTube video. You can change the layout, for example, if you would really like to have a different layout, and you can add clips over and under. It looks like this program also has some sort of green screen functions. That's pretty cool. As you can see, my t-shirt gets all black because I can put something underneath this part. And you can even add the keyframes to your video, so you can essentially just move this one, have the first keyframe, then move over here, for example, and then zoom in a bit. Okay, and now if we play this back and everything in between, I've been filming the video itself on yeah, that was super cheesy. This program is awesome for just your phone. Over to the last one. This one is called Filmora. This one is also super popular for desktop. This one has a ton of different tools as well, but it's basically the same thing. Every one of those editing programs on phone are basically the same thing. They are really simple to edit. You just click, you can drag, you can split, and you can delete. It's the same thing over and over again, but I really wanted to quickly show you guys this second part of filming and editing and making thumbnails and everything that you can do with your phone with this series, and show you how easy it is to make YouTube videos just using your phone. It's a simple way for you to learn video editing. It doesn't have to be complex. It doesn't have to be anything special. If you want something for free on a PC, my recommendation is DaVinci Resolve. That one is awesome. It's a professional tool that they for some reason made free, so check that one out as well. So yeah, that was part 2 of my series, how to film and edit and post on your phone. Make the best YouTube videos that you can using your phone, because that's simple, that's fun. Watch this one up next. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.